6 for 7.
Catch! Gone. Fourth wicket for Tendulkar. He's having another dream run here in Kochi. Boy, he loves those wickets. He's always aspired to be an all-rounder, Tendulkar. And today he has the right to call himself one.
Well, you look at his record in one-day cricket. He's got over 100 wickets. He's enjoying it. Up there in the rough. Hit me if you can. Thank you very much. Number 4. Pakistan looking down the barrel now. Just 2 wickets to claim for India. 151 for 8.
And that could be his 5th wicket. Can you believe it? Yes, it is. In fact, he's been lifted by the teammates almost. 5-wicket haul once again at Kochi for Tendulkar. It's something about grounds. It's a lucky ground for him with the ball. Not so much with the bat, but he's played a match-winning hand here.
5 wickets is as good as 100 in terms of a bowler. And remember, he has only 10 overs. Doesn't often happen you get 5 wickets. It doesn't matter what delivery it was, he'll take those 5. It's transformed the game. There's only one team playing there at the moment, and that's India. Hafiz departs for 42. 152 for now.